Ready? Alright, another All Manning representative, Maquan Aldridge. First of all, congrats on the selection. How did it feel when you were selected to represent the Manning Cup?
It was a wonderful feeling. Not going to sound like I'm boasting or anything, but it was expected. Yeah, no.
Alright, so today, you'll be familiar with Coach Ferguson. Were you surprised to get the start in today's game?
Yes.
Alright, so you came on and you were wreaking havoc all game. You were running down the wing, you were causing problems for the opposition. Speak to us about how you felt playing an All-Star game. Did you feel any pressure? Was it fun? Explain how it felt.
Yeah, it was most definitely fun. Yeah, I would say it's fun.
But even though you guys were having fun, we still heard intense discussions between you and some teammates on the field. Is there any animosity between you and players from other schools, or is that just the passion on the field?
No, man, exactly as you said in the last. It was just a passion, just the heat of the moment.
Alright, obviously the result is not as significant because it's an All-Star game, but how do you feel that the Manning Cup team didn't end up coming away with the win today?
Well, I really feel no way still, because we know from the start it was just an exhibition, so we just take it one step at a time.
And lastly, what next for Maquan Aldridge?
As you know, I have a game tomorrow versus Harborview in the Premier League.
Alright, so you're just playing JPL right now, and that's what we can expect for the near future?
Yeah, just for now.
Alright, Maquan Aldridge, good. Congrats again.
Yeah, thank you.